I'm going to be explaining how to do under eye concealer for dark circles and prominent tear troughs, which can make you look tired and older than you actually are. You're going to start with an under eye cream. We want this area to be hydrated before we move on to concealer. Now I'm going to give you a tip that is one of the best kept secrets in professional makeup artists. What you're going to need is 2 concealers. Apply your first concealer. This is the shade of concealer that you normally use. Apply this to the under eye area and blend this with your finger, a brush or a sponge. Now you're going to take another concealer, one that is a shade or 2 lighter than your original concealer. Apply this to the shadow that the tear trough creates. Apply it directly to that area only. But really focus on drawing in where the actual shadow of the tear trough is. Blend that lighter concealer in. What this does is it bounces light out from that area where the shadow is in the tear trough, making it appear smooth and flat and gorgeous.